I made my own version of the HackPack turret, completely 3D printed. I designed it to be as identical as possible to the original and compatible with the most mods out there. All credit for the original idea and design goes to CrunchLabs. I'm just here to share how I built my own version, explaining the process, showing how it works, and encouraging more people to give it a shot. This project might be a bit challenging for some, since it involves tools like soldering iron, tweezers, and super glue. But don't worry, I'll be uploading the version 2 soon, and it's going to be way easier to build. When CrunchLabs announced the new version of the BuildBox HackPack, I knew I had to get one, so I jumped on their official website and surprised, HackPack only ships to US, Canada, and Europe. And definitely not Mexico. It's designed to be fun and easy to build. Well, kind of. The cool part, you can still use the original code with all the different modes and games, just with a few small tweaks. So let's get started. I use this ESP32 as the microcontroller along with its base. Then this controller with its receiver. I also use micro servos, two 360 and one 180. I got this pack of 4 AA batteries and an adapter. So I recommend getting one with a pre-soldered connector. I use this kit of inserts and screws, jumper wires, rubber bands, and some Nerf tags. Finally, these neodymium magnets. Remember, all the components links are down in the description, totally free, so you can try it too. In the official CrunchLabs turret, they use an Arduino Nano, but I decided to go with an ESP32 instead. It's faster, has more pins, and comes with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, perfect for future upgrades. The receiver and the micro servos I used are identical to the original ones. In the official version, they use this metal ring and some small magnets on the magazine, which makes it super easy to remove and reload. But since those parts were custom designed for the HackPack, they are not available for sale. So, by using 2 magnets and a gear, I was able to recreate the same mechanism. They also use a kind of base where the Arduino sits, something like this. But I'll be using this one because I chose to use an ESP32. It has voltage, signal, and ground pins, laid out just like a servo connector, making everything way easier to plug in. Now, let's make a prototype to test the code. First, we connect the ESP32 to its base. Then we connect the 4 AA batteries to the board. Just make sure that it's switched off first. Since my base doesn't come with a connector, I use this adapter that scripts directly into the wires. Before we continue, there's something important you need to know. The receiver has 3 pins: signal, negative, and power. And our cable has 3 wires: black as ground, brown as signal, and red as power. If we plug them directly, it will burn the module. Yeah, that already happened to me. So all we need to do is flip the brown and red wires, like this. Also remember, this is how the pins are laid out on our board. The full wiring diagram is on the description, just in case. Now let's check that everything working properly. And that's it. For the 3D design, I had to look up a bunch of photos and videos for reference, and started by modeling the electronic components, just to have a solid base to work from. Luckily, I found official models on Thingiverse for reference. After hours of modeling, I ended up with this. Now, if you want to print your own custom logo, just download the file called Barrel from CapBase and head over Tinkercad, a free online 3D modeling tool. Click Import and upload the model. Just place it on the base. Now, to add your logo, look up for any PNG file you like. I'm using a creeper face as an example. Then go to Convertio, upload the image, and choose SVG format. Download the file and import it into Tinkercad. Then just position it wherever you want and pick it up your favorite color. And then you've got your own custom logo. I even made 2 versions, one with my logo and one with the CrunchLabs logo. Once you're done, import all the models into your slicer. I personally use Orca Slicer. And time to print. You can find all the 3D files on MakerWorld and Printables. Before we move on, make sure you've printed all these parts. First thing, cut the ends of the servo adapter. Then, glue the 360 servo in place using some super glue and screw the adapter into position. Now, just glue the magnet into the magazine. If you notice a few differences, it's because I changed the design last minute to look more like the original. Next up, we screw the 180 servo into the right support using the screws that came with. Yeah, that didn't work, so I used the thread inserts as nuts. Then, using the solid iron, I installed 2 inserts into the center support and another one into the right support. We cut another adapter and screwed into the main base. Now, placing 4 more inserts into the legs, we screw all 4 legs. We use another insert as a spacer, like this. screw in the final 360 servo. Cut another adapter and screw it into the gear and into the servo. Make sure everything fits just right, and glue the magnet in place. After installing another 4 inserts, screw in the ESP32. Connect the cables like the diagram, and done! But wait, before that you need to take apart the 180 servo, so that when the turret turns on, it starts in natural position. Then, without turning it off, put it back together. Just the final touches. Glue on the antenna with the super glue, insert the cables just like the diagram, and now modify the nerf darts by cutting them down to 5 centimeters. Insert the rubber band into the adapter and then load in the dart. Repeat that 5 more times and finally, glue the battery pack with hot glue. And that's it. You've got your very own HackPack turret, fully magnetic. This is my first official video, and I'd love to hear what you think down in the comments. Feel free to drop any suggestions too. Mark designed this kit to be super moddable, and on the official HackPack Discord, there are too many mods. Like this 8-dart magazine, this tank version, or even this with 4 magazines at once. So I'll definitely be uploading my own mods soon. Thanks so much for watching all the way to the end. It really means a lot to me, and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you. Sorry for my accent.